Good morning, everyone. Hi. Hi. Here you go. Good boy, Morris. Good boy. There you go. There's still a good chance of rain this afternoon. I'm debating how much to water this morning versus hope that it actually rains, and if it doesn't, catch up tomorrow. I don't know. I'll just get going changing out the cat water bowls and we'll see. I compromised. I didn't water as much as if there was no rain in the forecast, and I didn't totally not water as if we'd gotten several inches. Somewhere in between. Panther was here just a minute ago. There's my buddy. Good morning. Hi. Here goes Mom. I am happy to see you, but I'm not happy about the pill. Just not, Mom. Well, we went through a whole pill this morning and we barely got anything in them. It was basically just a disaster. So I'm stressed now. I did everything I could. I'm not going to try again today. I'll try again tomorrow. Pray we got enough in him. There's a little piece of chicken down there that's got some of it on it, and I highly doubt he's going to be willing to eat that, but just in case. I'm so sorry, buddy. I know it was horrible for you. If you would just open up and let me put it in there. Hey, good morning. Good morning, sweet pea. How are you? Hi. We're over here at the Greenway, and she's offering us the...
As we drove in, she's offering us parking places. That's right. So I'm putting it in reverse, and I actually want to park at the other end. So I'm going to back up here, and she said that's impossible. And now that one's going to go away. But I'm getting close to the end down here if you look over here in our picture. So I'm going to pick that one. And I'm going to click start.
Well, you guys will remember us coming over here, and she wouldn't even offer us to park, and she didn't show the parking spaces even though they were clearly marked. So this is a huge
improvement.
Yeah.
Wow. I want to park that well.
She doesn't hit the cement at the back. Thank you, Jules.
Well, the AI is better parker than I am. Well, I've been replaced.
I would hope so. I mean, I would hope the computer would be able to do it better than us.
Yeah.
It's kind of like we watched Space Cowboys the other day, and the old guys, Tommy Lee Jones.
Oh, right.
He refused to allow the computer to land the shuttle, and the young hotshot astronauts were telling him that you can't land this thing. This thing is what do they call it?
Brick.
A flying brick. It's not an it's not a proper aircraft or whatever. And Tommy Lee Jones is like, just let me show you how it's done, boys.
That's right.
Great movie.
It was very
really
cute.
A great.
Enjoyed it.
Every time I rewatch it, I'm happy all over again.
Yeah, and we lost Donald Sutherland
recently. Yeah,
so
a couple days after we watched it.
That's
actually.
Right. Actually, that is correct.
Yeah, that wasn't why we watched it, but we certainly enjoyed his performance in that show. And then, James Garner as the preacher.
Yeah, he's been gone for a while.
Yeah. Show your 4th of July.
Putting my 4th of July. I'm wearing all my red, white, and blue this week.
Okay, you got on. You look like you're in your Tour de France bike shirt.
That's right. Tour de France starts tomorrow.
Oh God, no.
Oh,
no.
It recorded.
No.
Set up.
No,
Tour
please.
de France. Yeah, baby.
Oh God, no.
That's what I'm watching when I go home.
I don't hate it. I just could care less about ever seeing another bike race again.
Thanks for the reminder.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really? I even like golf better than the bike racers. Don just wants something to sleep to. He usually watches the summary thing and spares me the long version, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll be building El Gato. The cat.
Oh, Don.
Yeah, Don doesn't know any Spanish.
No,
So the fact that I...
No español.
Yeah, I was laughing at Guardian Angel the other day because somebody came and asked Maria a question and they were talking in Spanish, and Leslie, she looked at me and she's like, I'm so glad Maria's here because I couldn't have helped the person. And
I start my watch, it cost me like 1/10 of a mile.
The car's right there.
Oh.
It's okay. You'll be all right, I promise.
I'm dying.
So it feels soupy, and it occasionally is cloudy, and the radar has no showers on it. They better not be wrong. They just can't be wrong. We have to have rain today. We must. I didn't feel like picking up trash or rewalking the typical route today, and I need to go to Harris Teeter, so I had Don bring us to the Greenway. Because he's such a good guy. He asked, where do you want to walk today? Maybe bridge lights tomorrow. It's supposed to be in the 80s. We're going to have a cool down. I guess it just depends on how wet it is out there. How long and how wet.
You hear that? That's raining.
Are we going to get rained on? I won't be complaining.
No, we're going to get spit on.
Okay, well,
that's what it's
oh, I don't even care if it hails. Well, I mean, I care about the car. About me, I don't care if it hails. But there's no hail today. It's high winds and heavy downpours is the severe weather risk. They're not talking about hail today.
Yeah, my girl, she timed this perfectly. Clouded up, and now we're getting just a little bit of a sprinkle.
Uh-oh, Donnie. I don't think you can reach it, though. This would be one of those days where having the grippers probably wouldn't help, but at least, you know.
Yeah, kind of.
That's just lousy of people.
Now, what do they think that's going to do?
I don't know. They just don't care. People need to care more. I hear rain. Oh, wow. Yeah, well, growing up in Trenton, New Jersey, and then growing up in Monroe, North Carolina, outside of Charlotte, and then moving up here, all of those places get over 40 inches of rain a year. So I'm very used to it, expecting it, wanting it, dealing with it.
I agree.
Rained a little more over here, and it's currently stopped. Really, it's pretty humid now with that coming off the asphalt. So if it would just pick back up, that'd be great. Well, there was more rain on this side of the Greenway than the other, and it's just enough rain to make it feel like soup out here with the sun back out and in the sun. But we're turning around. This is as far as we're walking today, because all the way over to the high school's in the full sun, and we just don't need that. That puts us over 3 miles, and we don't need that today. Well, it didn't get rained on as much as we wanted, but at least Jules has got some AC going. Phew! Oh, there's a little bit of rain. We'll take it. Yeah. Hoping it's gonna pour and not just be this, you know, playing with us stuff. There's a cell in Sanford. If it moves our way, it looks like something more than nothing. It's raining.
It's trying. If it keeps us up
more,
several hours, it might do something.
More.
Well, it won't run off at this rate.
Well, just to prove how 100% thankful I am that it's raining, I am so pleased. Keep coming. Come on, more rain, more rain, more rain. Come on, more. It's not even wet good under the tree yet. Come on. Oh, it feels good. Oh, it feels good. See, it feels good. Oh, rain, please more. We're having our big meal early today, and I picked up the corn and the steaks at Harris Teeter. It's not necessarily over, but there's definitely a break in the action. I was disappointed to see that the squiggle, the little dirt spot on my camera lens, didn't go away with the sprinkler incident and wiping the lens. There's a lot of dirt on the inside of the lens on this camera, and it's not user serviceable. And besides cleaning the outside, the only other thing I can do is try to vacuum out any debris, which is what I came out here to do. Well, I guess time will tell. It's not something I can notice in the LCD screen, and it's also not something I can see with the naked eye on the lens, because there's a lot of stuff on the inside and I can't tell which specific thing looks bad. But I vacuumed it the way I have in the past, very carefully with my hand over the lens, and we'll see. We will look on tomorrow's video and know that the new camera's coming July 10th through the 12th. So unfortunately, I won't have it for at least a week. I think the hibiscus flower was interfering with the lower rain gauge, and I guess they both say about 2/10 of an inch. Obviously that needs to be cleaned out, but I'm not going to empty it until I'm sure we're done. There's chances later in the week too. God, it feels so nice out here now in comparison to how it felt earlier. I see Morris is over here in the cat hotel up top. You can sort of see a shadow of a orange kitty up there. You gonna help me finish my tuxedo kitty build? I don't need the cushy over to the side. You could just sleep there. Good girl. Well, there it is. Built as configured. They give you an open mouth or a shut mouth, and they give you yellow eyes or blue eyes. I liked closed, shut, and I obviously all my kitties have yellow eyes. So I know a lot of the ladies are changing the nose to black, and obviously with Stripe, I need part of the nose black and part of the nose white. But let me see if I can get Stripe to come in and get a picture of him with it. Bud. He goes, I just rub up against it. It's just one of your Lego projects, Mom. I'm sure the part that it looks like him is lost on him.